Hello and welcome back to the mini importation business tutorial. My name is Mackenzie Ekwere. This is a 4001 tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to search for a product on 1688.com website using a smartphone. 1688.com is the Chinese version of Alibaba.com. This is where websites like AliExpress get their merchandise from. Before we get started, there are some tools you will need in order to successfully surf 1688 website. They are Google Chrome, which you can get from the Play Store or iOS Store, an English to Chinese language translator. You can easily Google English to Chinese translator. You're going to get something like this. And the third thing is a yuan to naira currency converter. I use coinmail.com. Now let's get started. Open Google Chrome on your mobile device and type 1688.com into the address bar. After 1688 homepage has loaded, you will notice that all the text are in simplified Chinese. To translate it to English, click on the dotted line at the top right of your browser and the Chrome menu will appear. Navigate to the Settings tab at the bottom and click it. In the Settings menu, navigate to Languages tab at the bottom and click it. Look for the text that says Offer to translate pages in other languages and click it once. The gray knob will shift to the right and change color to blue. Navigate back to the browser by clicking the back button at the top left twice. Refresh the page by clicking on the address bar once and press enter. After your page has finished loading, all text should be in English. Do not mind the distorted text. It is that way because the 1688 website was not built to be used in this manner, but it really affects our work. You will find an option to switch back to simplified Chinese at the bottom of your browser if you need it. Now it's time to search for the product. Go to the English to Chinese language translator and type in the name of the product. When it translates your text, press and hold text down and click copy. Go back to 1688 homepage and paste the copied text into the search bar and click the search button. At first, when you paste it and you see something like this, don't fret, just go back to the English to Chinese translator and copy it once more. It will load your search results. After your search result has finished loading, scroll down to find the product you want. Use your yuan to naira currency converter to get the equivalent price in naira for your calculations. An example, this first one here is 3.9 yuan. I'm going to go to the currency converter and right here you can see the conversion of 3.9 yuan gives us 207 naira and 13 kobo. Let's go back. You can reorder your search result by number of transactions or price by clicking sales volume or price respectively. When you reorder by price, it brings the lowest price to the top and takes the highest one to the bottom. This tool is good anytime you want to look for the lowest price for that particular product. Another way you can reorder is by clicking the filter at the top right here. It opens a dialog box where you can find MOQ, which is the minimum order quantity. That is the amount, or rather the number of products you can buy per order, and you can also find price range there. Using all these filters effectively will help you make a better decision when searching. How to pick a seller. Before picking a seller, it is wise to compare product price and shipping cost. This will help you decrease your cost and increase profit. This is how you go about it. When you locate a product you want to view, press and hold down on it until a menu appears. Click on Open in New tab. This will open the product in a new tab while leaving your search result unaltered. To access the product you just opened, click on the square with rounded corners to the right of the address bar. Scroll through and pick the tab you want to view. Before we move further, let me point out a few things. If at any point you start seeing the writing, the text in simplified Chinese again, you can easily click on this dialog at the bottom, this dialog box at the bottom, which helps you to change the language from Chinese simplified back to English. Right below the product name, you will see 3 different prices. All product pages are arranged in this manner. This means that the prices differ depending on the number of products you decide to purchase. Another thing is the logistics. When comparing prices, you need to know the seller's courier fee for that product. This differs most of the time because of the distance between the seller's warehouse and where they are sending it to. The next thing is the product attribute. Click here to find more information about the products, like its weight. You need the weight to calculate the cost of shipping your products down to Nigeria or to whichever country that you are in. Compare all these information with sellers who sell similar products as you browse through your search results. Another thing to watch out for is the evaluation. On this particular product, it has no evaluation yet. So let's just check out another one. And this is how you compare. I'm going to open this second one. Open a new tab. Navigate and choose that tab. Okay. Let's scroll down. I guess I chose the wrong one. This one. Okay. Change it to English. At this evaluations tab, you can see this one has a total of 17 evaluations. The first one we can see here, it says very good. I'm just going to click on it so it can open it better so we can see the others. Let's just wait for it to translate. You can also go ahead and click on this other one which says 17 here. We can see more people talking about the product. In a case where you see many people talking about the product, number one, or you see that the product has a lot of transaction, that is a good sign for you to trust such a seller or that product. So when you have chosen a product, click and hold down the link in the address bar to highlight it. Then click copy. Open up Notepad or any other one that you like and save that link, because we're going to use it later when we want to place our order. Another thing you should save there is the price and also the MOQ. The price here is 1.45 yuan and the minimum order quantity MOQ is 3 bottles from the batch. So let's also write that down here. We save that, okay? So in the next video, I will show you how to place your order.